Yes, me there here again once more, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Alright, my people, so I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media in this video. Alright, you can also let me know what you think about these videos as well. First up, I'm going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica that shows some things that happened at the scene of a motor vehicle accident. So the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a motor vehicle that went off-road and overturned the viewers and subscribers. The wheels of the motor vehicle was not on the ground, viewers and subscribers, and I didn't get any confirmed information to determine if the driver was the only person who was inside of the motor vehicle. The video shows a certain amount of persons working together to rescue whosoever was inside of the motor vehicle when the video was being recorded. Again, I don't know if the driver was the only person who was inside of the motor vehicle. Some people might call the motor vehicle a truck or a type of truck, and I don't have any confirmed information to determine if anyone had been injured or about any fatality. I also got the understanding that the motor vehicle was carrying a lot of goods, and the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a certain amount of persons taking some of those goods that was inside of the motor vehicle that overturned. Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Based on what you are about to see and hear in this video, you can also let me know what you think. And before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think.
Yo, try and take them out, brother. So get a leak right there, say that. Yo, so get a leak right there, say that.
Alright, I'm going to stop the video right there, so viewers and subscribers, because of certain images or certain parts of the video that might be somewhat disturbing viewers and subscribers. So I'm going to stop that video right there. So my people, what would you call a situation that shows quite a number of persons taking goods that was inside of a motor vehicle that overturned? What would you call a situation like that? Yeah, leave a comment or comments in the comment section of the video to let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. And I want to say to each and every motorist, yes, I know that accidents can happen, but you know, try your best to drive as safely as possible for yourself and for others. So I say, I know so that sometimes motor vehicles might malfunction and all them things there. I understand that, but still, I put a good word out there to each and every motorist, even pedestrians. Just be careful on the road, alright? Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person confronted someone. And based on some words that a person who you can hear talking in the video said, I got the understanding that the person said that he was at my window with his pants down. Now, viewers and subscribers, I looked at a person who you can see in the video that I'm about to present to you, and I wonder if that person have any form of mental health issue. So viewers and subscribers, more you look and listen to this video and tell me what you think about the video or the situation itself, viewers and subscribers. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Look here, don't come back in here again, you know. Irma said don't come back in the yard again. He was at my window with his pants down while I was working. Don't come back in the yard again because a policeman nearly called me a while ago. You hear me? Don't do it again. Me are working up, cause my dog a barking up, cause my dog not bark for no chat, bark. Yeah. When I look, him there at the window.
What type of thing is that you're doing? Why you don't go home? Where's your home? Go home. Someone reaching the yard. Oh,
the gate, yeah, because you know a big yard, no lot not depend the gate.
I need to take him off of the street.
Don't do it again, cause policeman nearly just called me a while ago.
You hear what you said? Go. Why you don't go home? Where's your home? Go home. Go back to your house.
In my point of view, my people, and we can't help but wonder, you know, based on how the person move and the way the person just, you know, the way the person just behave certain ways, I have to wonder if that person have some form of mental health issue. But people, tell me what you think. Do you think that the person have mental health issue or not, based on how you see the person act? Tell me what you think, my people. And I'm not trying to be disrespectful to no one, but you know. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, and this video is going to show a certain amount of persons. Now in this video, a person said some words that also includes the word bank and me want me money. Now viewers and subscribers, I think that the person said enough words in this video for you to get a good understanding about the whole situation or what was going on. And I think that the video itself can give you some form of understanding about the situation itself. So me I say, I don't know exactly where and when the video will be recorded, but while you look and listen to the video and tell me what you think about this video itself or about some words that the person said in the video. So me I say, in my point of view, the person was saying some words in a way that I think some people might say sad in a way. But you be the judge. You tell me what you think. Alright? Here's the video. Look, listen, observe.
Lock and bar me all I gonna do it here. And that's gonna do me. I know me and talk about the great people tell me say wait again from my phone not working man. When I did the crowd up and the money, I'm tired of nobody now come to rescue. So why me not checking and see me on the gun? I just all alone to see the gun. Nobody now. Money, nobody there assist me. Why you go with my money? I miss it. I work for money, I'm not tea. I'm not collecting work. I'm scared of my money. I'm not the time. I'm not saying none of where I work in the money I miss her. When I disrespect me and I tell about left number, minimum left number. When you come up here, I'm going to miss her. I saw me attack and the woman bar me out of the bank clock, you know. I saw the needed people. When I come back Monday, she said, she can't not tweet. I know I'm going to miss her. like you know, when I go like someone up and talk about my money. You want my money and I eat some about my money. But tell you that day, I tell you this is for my money every minute.
Me I tell you, Buju Banton sing some good song. One particular song where Buju Banton sing have some words in it where say, who feels it knows? Woo woo woo. Buju Banton song there. Alright, my people. I'll take a look at this part of the video right here. Let me screenshot yourself, by the way, screenshot. So tell me if you see any form of logo in that screenshot there. You see a logo? Yeah, me just point out that. You see me answer the people. So tell me what you think about the situation there. Alright? So here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.